Midjourney is one of the most popular AI image generators right now. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this quick review, I'll cover what Midjourney is, its key features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether you should use it. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is an AI tool that generates images from text prompts. You simply type what you want and it creates high quality visuals in seconds. Unlike many other AI tools, Midjourney mainly runs through Discord, not a traditional website interface. That is something many users either love or hate. Key features. First, image quality. Midjourney is known for producing very detailed and artistic images, especially for concepts, fantasy art, and realistic scenes. Second, prompt control. You can fine tune your results using styles, aspect ratios, and parameters like lighting, realism, or camera angles. Third, variations and upscaling. You can generate multiple versions of an image and upscale the best one to higher resolution. Fourth, fast generation. Images are created quickly, especially on higher tier plans. Ease of use. Midjourney is not the easiest tool for beginners. Since it works through Discord commands, there is a learning curve at the start. However, once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to use. Pricing. Midjourney isn't free. It offers paid plans starting at a basic monthly subscription with higher tiers for faster generation and more usage. There is no permanent free plan, which might be a downside if you are just testing AI tools. Pros. Extremely high quality images, great for creative and artistic work, fast generation speeds, strong community on Discord. Cons. No free plan, requires Discord to use, can be confusing for beginners. Limited editing compared to some competitors. Midjourney versus other AI tools. Compared to tools like DALL-E or Leonardo AI, Midjourney stands out in image quality and artistic style. However, other tools may offer easier interfaces or better editing features, so it really depends on what you need. Quality versus ease of use. Who should use Midjourney? Midjourney is best for designers and artists, content creators, anyone who needs high quality visuals. It is not ideal for beginners who want a simple beginner friendly tool. Final verdict. Midjourney is still one of the best AI image generators in 2026, especially if you care about image quality. But the lack of a free plan and the Discord based workflow won't be for everyone. So is Midjourney worth it? If you want top tier AI generated art, yes. If you want simplicity, you might want to look elsewhere. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe for more videos like this, turn on the bell icon to get all the news, share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and goodbye.